If Rebelle's filters aren't sufficient, you can also use the optional Escape Motions Connect plugin to link Rebelle to Photoshop for round-trip editing. This is only available in the Pro version of Rebelle. You'll need to go to your account and download the plugin. Then unzip it and open Photoshop to install it. Go to File, Scripts, Browse, and select the installer file. Next, press OK and restart Photoshop. To use the plugin, both Photoshop and Rebelle need to be open at the same time. Before the plugin will work, you must open a new document in Photoshop, then go to Window, Extensions, and select Escape Motions Connect. A panel will appear with some buttons you can use for working between Photoshop and Rebelle. This panel must be open for the plugin to work, so ensure that in the Photoshop Preferences workspace, Auto Collapse Iconic Panels is not enabled. I can move layers to and from Rebelle. Let's try typing some text, and then click on the PS to RB button. As you can see in Rebelle, the text appears on a new layer. Now, even though Rebelle doesn't have a type tool, I can still add text. Though it would probably be more efficient to export your artwork as a PSD and open it in Photoshop to add text there if you have a lot of it. If I click the Export to Photoshop button in the Layers panel, I can send the line art layer to Photoshop. If the two documents have a mismatched size, the layers may be placed incorrectly. You can hide this warning if you like. Exported layers will retain their original name and opacity, and many of the layer blending modes are compatible with Photoshop, though some are not. Pigment mixing layers can also cause unexpected shifts in color or opacity when imported into Photoshop. Have a look at the video on color management for an explanation of what to do about that. Now I can edit the line art in Photoshop using a feature not found in Rebelle, such as beveling, and bring it back into Rebelle with that change. Then I could paint some more in Rebelle and send it back to Photoshop. This can be faster than exporting the document back and forth manually using Save As. That's all I will say about this plugin. There are instructions included with the plugin installer file if you want to know more about how it works.